Have you ever wondered why some designs instantly look premium and professional? The secret isn't adding more elements, it's knowing what to remove. If you want cleaner and better looking designs, here are 5 simple principles of minimal design. Principle 1. Use white spaces. Empty areas aren't wasted space. They give your design room to breathe. White space helps viewers focus on what's important and makes your design feel clean and modern. Principle 2. Limit your colors. Keep your color palette simple. Using just 2 or 3 colors create harmony and makes your design look more professional. Too many colors can easily make things look messy. Principle 3. Less is more. If an element doesn't help communicate your message, remove it. A simple design is often more powerful than a crowded one. Principle 4. Use simple fonts. Just 1 or 2 easy to read fonts are usually enough. Clean typography makes your design look timeless and easier to understand. Principle 5. Keep everything aligned. Even the best elements can look unprofessional if they are placed randomly. Keeping everything aligned creates balance and gives your design a polished look.